If you make the same money but still feel more broke every month, this video is for you. Inflation quietly breaks your budget, and most people don't realize how. Welcome back to Simple Financial Literacy, where we make money make sense. In the last video, we talked about what inflation is. Today, we're going to talk about how it affects your monthly budget and what you can do about it. Inflation doesn't usually hit all at once. It shows up quietly, line by line. Your rent goes up a little. Groceries cost a little more. Gas costs a little more. Subscriptions increase. Individually, it doesn't seem huge. Together, it breaks your budget. Most people budget once and never update it. But inflation means last year's budget no longer works. That's why people feel stressed, even when they're doing everything right. Here are signs inflation is hurting your budget. You're spending more, but buying less. You rely more on credit cards, you save less, or nothing at all. You feel anxious about money, even with income. That's not a discipline problem. That's inflation. You don't need to panic. You need to adjust. Step 1. Update your budget. Your budget should reflect today's prices, not last year's. Go through rent, groceries, transportation, utilities. Step 2. Track, don't guess. Most people don't know where their money is going. Tracking gives you control, even before you earn more. Step 3. Protect essentials. First, cover essentials before lifestyle spending. Inflation punishes impulse spending the most. Step 4. Focus on income growth. When prices rise, controlling spending helps, but increasing income matters too. That's why we'll also talk about career growth and income strategies on this channel. If your budget feels tight, you're not bad with money. You're living in a high inflation world. Learning how to adjust is the real skill. In the next video, we'll talk about simple money habits that help you survive inflation without stress. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. This channel is about progress, not perfection. Thanks for watching.